I can't believe it. I'm quite honoured and feel privileged to have these boards sitting on this rack I just built. This isn't all of them either. Wait till you see the fast ones. These were tested the other day. Following this video, following me speaking, will be Greg Kiskarpati at Budgie going 37 knots on that Stonk. He tested it out the first time. I was pretty amazed that he actually just said, "Can I have a go?" Because they look wild on the bottom. You'll see. This guy Bruce McKee, he's been around for a while. The world of water. His design was the Bombora Capricorn back in the 80s, Australia's biggest selling sailboard. And he's been doing surfboards and stuff since, shaping for pros. Sonny Garcia won Makaha Classic on the board that he shaped. But he's been doing a lot, and he's just come to windsurfing. Now, he said that my Jimmy's Beach antics inspired him to have a bit of a crack at something. He's had a crack at something. He turned up, showed me all the boards. I'll try and run through all the information in different videos of what Bruce has said about the different shapes. But we took him straight down to Budgie and we were blessed to get a little bit of wind. We got out there, and Greg Kiskarpati, he went 37 knots. The fastest guy on that day was Big Matty Dowes, head budgie smuggler, been sailing his whole life, often one of the fastest. He did 40, and I think the next guy was Byron that did 37.5 knots on full new slalom gear. And so that seems pretty, like a pretty good first test, doesn't it? I think so. So I was on that Morph. That's the yellow one. At first I started with too small a sail, and then I went in while the wind blew and I was getting a 7.5. I went back out on the Ezzy 7.5 with fins such as, at first I had this one, that's the Peppy 23 Weed Delta, and then I got rid of that because I couldn't get off the bottom without enough power. It was hitting the bottom. The depths seem a bit shallower this year down there. That's the Fangy 18 speed fin, that one. Aluminium. That got me going in about like 12 knots wind, I think, with the 7.5. I noticed that I was planing on the 100 litre. I looked at my watch, it was like 13 knots. I thought that was a nice slow planing speed. I don't mind going slow. But if we're talking about speed, yeah, that Stonk, 120 litre, 67.5 wide, I should say, 67.5 wide, 230 long, 120 litre the Stonk. That's what Greg went on. I think a 7 litre. And yeah, he did 37 pretty quickly. That'd be it. Big, whole lot of wacky stuff going on in there. I quickly made the big claim that they'll beat any modern slalom board. And that's a big claim. I haven't even really ridden a slalom board. I got a F-Race and SLW, different types of boards. But to me, it did just feel like it wants to go. It did feel like it wants to go. It felt like it just tracked downwind when you turn it off the wind, go downwind. It just did seem like it was on rails. So as Mr. McGee said there, it's more of a hydroplaning race boat hull than a windsurfer hull. The Morph, that's the one I was on. That's 100 litre, 58 wide. 230 long. Yep. Crazy shit. Paradigms have shifted, I reckon. This is some animal windsurfing equipment. I'll try and keep the videos coming. If you have any specific questions, I'll try to address them in some form of video content. And let's see what happens. We need a extremely big mega dog to take this thing to Deafy and see. I think it'd go all right. What could go wrong? What a McKee.
Yeah.
I think I got 37 knots out of it, so I'm pretty happy with that.
What do you normally do? It's 37. Yeah, socket. Yeah, in my brownie bag, there's like sockets that sit in the front. You know, that bag should be in front of the car. I'm like,
Stars, and I feel
peaceful, man. It's called the Stonk. It's actually, so this one comes out to be stomped. Go fast. So yeah, the Stonk. It's just a bit of it's a different, little bit of a different theme. This one, because it's got a bit more volume than say the MobZ. I've got a slightly different setup here, and this one's got even more lift down the tail. But we'll see. You know, like there could be variation where, you know, whether it's needed, pull it in there. But like I say, they work completely, really different than a normal, you know, windsurf board. More like a hydroplane racing boat rather than, you know, like a V-bottom boat. So yeah.